it was in Nigeria I really fell in love with my husband. Really. The way my father-in-law treated me, the way my mother-in-law treated me, the way they overprotected us, the way they were guiding us. Guys, I know if I'm saying it now, people will say, oh, maybe because you are lavishing money on them. There's nothing like lavishing money. I don't know why many people don't believe that natural love still exists. Like true love still exists. People will say you are lavishing money. They wouldn't even want to know if the family themselves are even poor themselves or not. You know, understand? They will just say, ah, maybe. Me, I don't even know the way I forget the money. Me, self, I don't get money. I don't cook my get money. I'm not really rich. You know, I'm not really rich. You understand? These people are really well to do. Honestly, I don't want to expose their doings, but so many people know them. Wanna help me share them? Oh, baby, help me share it to program. Oh, baby, where that song self where my sister-in-laws them make for me that time. I bless I will play them. Oh. Guys, look at what I just received. Yes, and coming from my father-in-law, we don't know what is inside, guys. I really want to open this thing with you guys, honestly. I really want to open it with you guys. Wow. I really want to open it. So this is how my husband gave it to me. So we received some clothes. I have not even checked the things they brought. Maybe they still brought foodstuff. They brought foodstuffs. I saw the clothes the Monachi were wearing. They still have any other thing? I don't even know. I never even asked.
Mommy, where's my pretty shirt? What you brought, guys?
I really want us to open this present. I really want us to open it. Let's see what my father-in-law brought for me. Guys, you know, I don't want to say too much. Let me see what my father-in-law really brought for me. I don't want to stay here for a very long time, guys. I know he loves me. I think this is a very great opportunity because I was saying this on social media happening. Calling your mother-in-law, calling your father-in-law, surprise call to find out the reason why they truly love you. I think immediately after we finish opening this gift, we will I will start calling my sister-in-laws because you all know last time they brought me Hollandis. They brought me Hollandis, okay? And then they brought me some gifts, some bead. I think necklace was inside, some gele and some hand fan. And what they brought me again? They made me a song. Yes, they made me a song. I remember when I traveled to Nigeria, guys, as I was coming back, my sister-in-law, my husband senior to her like 3-4 times, bought me original Hollandis, which we used to sew clothes. Maybe we'll see whether that clothes goes fit us again. That horse Hollandis. She gave me Hollandis as well. Yeah, we'll open it. And then my mother-in-law also sewed clothes for me and Michelle. Now sewed clothes for all the children, everybody. It was incredible. In fact, bragging. Why am I saying this? People will say, they are showing you love because of money. I'm letting you guys know that the family themselves are not poor. They are not poor. So it was in Nigeria I really fell in love with my husband. Really. The way my father-in-law treated me, the way my mother-in-law treated me, the way they overprotected us, the way they were guiding us. Guys, I know if I'm saying it now, people will say, oh, maybe because you are lavishing money on them. There's nothing like lavishing money. I don't know why many people don't believe that natural love still exists. Like true love still exists. People will say you are lavishing money. They wouldn't even want to know if the family themselves are even poor themselves or not. You know, understand? They will just say, ah, maybe. Me, I don't even know the way I forget the money. Me, self, I don't get money. I don't cook my get money. I'm not really rich. You know, I'm not really rich. You understand? These people are really well to do. Honestly, I don't want to expose their doings, but so many people know them. As you know, Nigeria is not a secure country. So, but when I have said it here, anybody can investigate more, and then they will still see where the family position is, you know. So we are not bragging. Why am I saying this? People will say, they are showing you love because of money. I'm letting you guys know that the family themselves are not poor. They are not poor. So my father-in-law is a graduate from Unilag, and he got pensions from UBTH hospital. I think he was an engineer. He worked as an engineer. So for you guys to know that it wasn't bad, very intelligent, guys. So if I call my father-in-law, the way he greets me is my love, even if I'm angry, my sweet, my sugar, my honey. Is your husband there? I hope he's there so that he will be jealous. Hey, how they laugh. Now so my mouth they wide like this. Whenever I talk to my father-in-law, my honey, my sugar, my lover. Yeah, one day I will surprise that you guys could hear that. He said, I hope my son is there. I hope he's jealous. There is no day I will talk to daddy that I will not laugh. Here will be paining me. So I will joy. My honey, my sugar, my butter. Hey, I said, Daddy, I'm not going to marry your son again. No, now you are going to marry. I'm not going to marry your son again. Now you are going to marry Daddy. I also say, Mommy, go agree, make I marry you. This is how close I am to the family. Really. I will be telling Daddy, my own father-in-law, more than know how nasty I am. Very nasty girl, now I be. I'll be telling my father-in-law, say I go marry her. Say I hope say mommy not dead. Almost 80 years old man, 80 years. Very, very intelligent, very peaceful, very loving, very kind, and I pray he will live forever for me. When I traveled to Nigeria with Michelle, it wasn't like as in Michelle is from another man. My father-in-law is more or less like a pastor. They are Jehovah Witness, Jehovah Witness people. That is my father-in-law them. They are Jehovah Witness kind of people, yeah. So, you know, in their kingdom hall, the way they do their thing, they don't have a pastor, like specific pastor, like pastor the church. They have elders. So, my father-in-law has been an elder in that church, or has been pastoring that church, I would rather say, because I don't know how they do their own thing. For more than 50 years, he has been an elder in this Jehovah Witness thing. So they are kingdom hall kind of people. You don't wear trousers when going to the church. You must tie hair. You know, all those things. I follow them to the church. Guys, you know, the elders always sit in front. Elders of this Jehovah Witness kind of church, yeah. They always sit the other side. And immediately we finished, Daddy rushed, took me, was so proud of me, was not even ashamed of me, say I don't born for another person. You know, this is my son's wife. This is my son's wife. This is my son's daughter. This is my son's daughter. Then the pastor, the other of their elderly people, you know, elderly men, I call them pastor because we don't know what they call them. Baby, what do they call them? Elders. Okay, now just elders they call them. Okay, the co-elders was like, your son is the father of this one. Hey, yes, but she's fair. Hey, it doesn't matter. It's my son's this one is my son's wife. This one, he was carrying me like this from one office to another office.
Mommy,
like a baby.
Mommy, that's kind of like my papa.
Yeah, Daddy, my father-in-law was carrying me like this, was using me to do shakara. Yeah. Guys, when I traveled to them, you know, I stayed with them for more than 2 weeks. 17 days to be precise. I was there in Benin with them. Before I left there to Lagos, me and Michelle, you know. Daddy was so overprotective, like 6 o'clock. Oh yeah, the driver that is always, I had a driver. I don't have my own car. I never had my own car, guys. So we rented a car. You know, though we have already bought my father-in-law a big car now. So whenever we travel, we might even decide to use that instead, yeah. Because my father-in-law now own a Jeep. Me and my husband bought it for him, right? So the point is that he will call the driver, 6 o'clock, start coming. I say, but they never dark now. We are not even done. No. Bring my wife back. Bring my wife back. That family, I don't know. Even the senior brother to my husband do call me his wife. My wife. That is what they call me. I love those things. I love those kind of unity. So even when I will talk to my sister-in-law, they will call me my wife. My wife. I would really want to be talking to one after the other. Like I will start. I saw it on social media. I really want to do it to ask them why do they love me. Now, guys, let's go into opening this present that my father-in-law bought for me. Okay. Hey guys, look at what my father-in-law bought for me. Guys, Bible. Only Bible. Guys, look at what my father-in-law sent to me as a gift. Isn't this incredible? Guys, look at what Daddy Osifo sent to me. King James Version in easy to read. Bible. Daddy. My Bible, Daddy second give me from Nigeria, guys. Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Oh. Ew, Daddy. Guys, look at what my father-in-law brought me as a gift. Look at what my father-in-law brought me as a gift. Isn't this incredible? The best gift ever. Thank you so much, guys. That is the best gift so far. I am telling you, I'm in shock. I'm overwhelmed, guys. Your father-in-law loves you a lot. That the best gift anyone can ever give you. My God, guys. I am in shock. The Bible means a lot. My sister, I am reading your comments. Hey, that is the best gift ever. No trying, man, I'm not going to enter prayer for you. I hope you see what my father-in-law has brought to me. No, let me enter fasting and prayer for you because I have the right Bible now. From my father-in-law that is approaching 80 years old. Imagine, he sent me a Bible, only Bible. If he say coily hair looks good on you, thank you so much, Sister Lee. That one way say you want collect my Bible. Collect my Bible. The Bible is the best gift. You can say it again. So that my sister will say you want collect my hair. See Bible. Hey, Arama kata 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 kuta. You don't know me.